In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make page in Dorik. By the end, you'll know how to log in, start a site, choose a blank canvas or a theme, add your content, and publish your page live. First, head to the Dorik login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google. This is a quick way to get into your account without creating a new password. Select the Google account you want to use, and if prompted, confirm the permissions so Dorik can authenticate you. In a moment, you'll land inside your dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the option to Create New Site. This opens the starting point for your new project. If you prefer full control over every detail, choose Create from Scratch. That gives you a completely empty canvas so you can build the layout exactly how you want it, section by section. If you want to move faster, you can also select a theme or template, browse the available designs, explore the layouts that match your brand or content, and when you find one you like, click Use Theme. This instantly loads a professionally structured page you can customize, saving you time while still keeping everything flexible. Once your site opens in the Builder, click the Add Elements button to bring content onto the page. Think of blocks as the big sections of your layout, like hero areas, features, or contact sections, and elements as the individual pieces inside those sections, such as headings, paragraphs, images, and buttons. Drag in what you need, then edit the text directly on the page. You can adjust spacing, colors, and typography from the side settings to match your style. Keep your hierarchy clear with a strong heading, concise supporting text, and a clear call to action. As you build, aim for consistency. Use the same button styles, font sizes, and colors across the page to make everything feel cohesive. When you're satisfied with how your page looks, it's time to publish. Give your content a quick proofread, make sure your links point to the right places, and then hit publish to push the page live. Dorik will make your page available at a default site address immediately. If you update anything later, just return to the builder, make your changes, and publish again to refresh the live version. That's it. You've logged in, created a site, picked your approach, built your page with blocks and elements, and published it. Follow these steps each time you need a new page, and you'll be building clean, consistent Dorik pages in no time.